Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install IntelliJ IDEA on Windows 11 step by step. Whether you are a beginner or just setting up a new machine, you will be able to up and running IntelliJ in just few minutes. So let's get started. First, open the browser and search for IntelliJ. On the first link from JetBrains, click on this link and go to download. And IntelliJ IDEA comes with two versions. One is the ultimate version and another one is the community version. Ultimate version is the professional version, or enterprise is a paid version. So in this tutorial I will go with the community edition. It is open source and it is free to use. So click on download. Okay, so it will take few minutes. I will pause this video. Now the download has been completed. Let's continue our setup. Like open the download folder, click on download and open the installer. And follow the instruction, click on it. And here is the location that IntelliJ will be installed. You can change it by browse, but I will keep the default one. Click on it and check this box to create the desktop shortcut. So I check this box. Open folder as a project. I check this box, and here is you want to open this file in IntelliJ. So I will check this all: Java, Gradle, Groovy, Kotlin, and POM. And check this if you want to open IntelliJ from the command prompt and add this bin to the system path. I check this one as well, and it required to restart. So click on it. Install. It will take few minutes, so let's wait for it to be complete. So now the installation is completed and it required to reboot. So I will pause this video and resume after the reboot complete. So now you successfully install IntelliJ. Let's test it. Open IntelliJ. And click on confirm. Continue. And I don't send this one. Okay. This is the welcome page of IntelliJ. So let's create one Java project. Click on new. And put hello world. Here is the location. I can change the location to document. Okay. And in here we can change the JDK version. So I keep it 24. Create. So now execute this Java project, clicking the run button here. So this Java project will print the hello welcome and the loop here. So the installation has been complete. Now I will show you how to open the IntelliJ from the command prompt. Let's exit this one. Let's go to my Java project, document, hello world. So from here you can open the project in IntelliJ by type command idea dot. So that's it. Now you have successfully installed IntelliJ on Windows 11. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.